Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change battery in Toyota Highlander remote full guide. Remove the emergency key first, then use a small flathead tool to pry open the fob seam gently. Wipe contacts with a soft cloth if dirty, note battery orientation, and install the CR2032 with the positive side up. Press the halves together until they click and test the remote from several feet away. Start by locating the seam and inserting the flathead tool, twisting just enough to separate the halves. Remove the old CR2032 and inspect the contacts for corrosion or dirt. Clean if needed with a dry cloth. Position the new battery with the plus side oriented correctly. Press the fob halves together firmly until they click and verify button response from a normal operating distance. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more practical car tips. Quick recommendation. I love the Kindle Paperwhite for reading during wait times while working on cars. Check the description for that link and current deals. Thanks for watching and checking those links, and now let's get back to the video. After closing the fob, test each button from a few feet away to confirm consistent response. If signals are weak, reopen and ensure the battery sits flush, contacts are clean, and there is no corrosion. For persistent issues, check your vehicle owner's manual for reprogramming tips, try a second new battery, or consult dealer support if the remote fails to pair or operate reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.